This is the Dreamer Campervan XL. It's got an XL price to it as well, because it costs more than 74,000 euros. XL, it's got a high roof on it, and which is pretty useful. And at the same time, it's not really sort of, it's XL because it's the longest Fiat Ducato model. So it's a 636 centimeter one. XL, it's got all this storage. In there, and at the back as well, and under the bed. What about an XL shower? Well, that you're not getting. You're getting quite a small one. Well, but it's reasonable size, I suppose. Right, this big thing here, that's your wardrobe. So you've got an XL wardrobe in there. And back here, the toilet, however, is XS. So the small. Suppose if you came in to use it, you could open this door as well and sort of close this one like that. You see, there's a place for it to fit, and there you got use of the toilet. You might, however, want to close the rear thing before you use it. So that's a quick walk through this vehicle. If you want to see in more detail, I've got other videos with it in more detail, but not the 2022 version at present. So it's a large van. Now put this thing here back. There's the XL wardrobe from this side. It's even XLer, or if you take this out, you've got space for your shirts and whatever long things you've got to hang down there. Oh, it's also got an XL fridge. And this XL bed, well, it's a sort of standard bed in a way. This will drop down electronically. Thing is, I can't really show it because there's people around. Also got XL hobs, and you can hide these XL hobs by putting this thing here down when it works anyway. And you've got an XL sink for a camper van. It's got an XL drawers and normal size seats, XL table, so it does sort of live up to its name. I'll come out. So it's Caravan Salon 2021, so 2022 range from Dreamer. I've got here storage under there. You can remove that partition, you can remove these partitions, you can even remove this if you want. You can get storage in there. The bed you can stack to one side, so you have all of this here free if you needed it. So you can fit a pallet in there quite easily, a standard Euro pallet. So that's what it looks like on this side. And that's a quick look around the Dreamer Campervan XL, which I hope you found of interest.